Do you want an extra layer of protection while browsing the web? Your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra can warn you before you open websites that may be harmful. Let me show you how. First, open the Samsung Internet app. Tap the three-dot menu in the bottom right corner. Then tap Setting. Tap Security and Privacy. Here, find and turn on Warn About Malicious Sites. With this enabled, Samsung Internet will warn you before opening websites that are known to be malicious, helping you avoid potential scam or harmful content. If you like, tap Warn About Malicious Site to view a list of any malicious websites that were previously detected during your browsing. For most users, this list will be empty, which simply means no malicious sites have been detected. And that's how to enable warning for malicious website on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.